Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone Air. Today, we're diving deep into their displays, platforms, cameras, battery life, build quality, and standout features. Which one boasts the sharper screen with that perfect size? Does the Pro's extra GPU core really make a difference? How do their cameras stack up in real-world shooting? And what about battery endurance and durability? Most importantly, is the $100 price gap justified or just hype? Stick around because by the end, you'll have to decide. Is the iPhone 17 Pro truly worth the premium, or is the iPhone Air the smarter buy? Let's get into it. Starting with the display, the iPhone Air edges out slightly with a larger 6.5-inch screen compared to the iPhone 17 Pro's 6.3 inches, offering a bit more real estate at 104.9 centimeters versus 96.4 centimeters. Both share the same stunning LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and peak brightness up to 3000 nits, ensuring vivid and smooth visuals. However, the Air's marginally bigger display area may appeal more to those craving immersive viewing. Both also feature Ceramic Shield 2 and Dynamic Island plus always-on display for that premium feel. The Air's slightly larger size might just tip the scales for display lovers. Under the hood, both run on the cutting-edge Apple A19 Pro chipset fabricated on a 3-nanometer process, ensuring blazing speed and efficiency. The key difference is the GPU. The iPhone 17 Pro sports a 6-core GPU, while the Air has a 5-core GPU. This extra core in the Pro model translates to smoother graphics performance, especially noticeable in gaming and intensive apps, making it the go-to for power users who demand peak visuals and multitasking prowess. When it comes to photography, the iPhone 17 Pro stands out with its triple 48-megapixel camera setup, including a periscope telephoto lens offering 4x optical zoom, perfect for capturing distant details crisply. The Air, meanwhile, has a dual 48-megapixel camera with a wide and ultra-wide lens but lacks the telephoto zoom. Both deliver 4K video recording with Dolby Vision HDR, but the Pro's advanced periscope and LiDAR scanner enable superior depth sensing and zoom versatility, making it a clear winner for photography enthusiasts. Diving deeper into camera features, the iPhone 17 Pro offers an impressive 8x optical zoom, thanks to its periscope telephoto lens, combined with Smart HDR5 and TOF 3D LiDAR for enhanced portrait and macro shots. The Air maxes out at 2x optical zoom but still includes Smart HDR5 and next-gen portrait controls. The Pro's expanded zoom range and advanced stabilization make it the top choice for users who want professional-grade photography capabilities in their pocket. Battery life is crucial, and here the iPhone 17 Pro leads with a larger 4252 mAh Li-ion battery compared to the Air's 3149 mAh. This substantial difference means longer usage between charges, especially under heavy workloads or gaming sessions, giving the Pro the edge for endurance and reliability throughout the day. In terms of build, the Air impresses with a premium titanium frame, grade 5, making it lighter and more durable, while the iPhone 17 Pro uses an aluminum alloy frame. Both share Ceramic Shield 2 on front and back, but the Air's titanium frame offers superior scratch resistance and strength without extra weight, appealing to those who want a sleek yet tough device. Both phones boast IP68 dust and water resistance, allowing immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, and support Apple Pay with major credit cards. The Air is notably thinner at 5.6 millimeters, enhancing its sleek profile without sacrificing durability. This slimness combined with titanium framing makes the Air exceptionally elegant and pocket-friendly. Both models support ultra-wideband Gen 2, emergency SOS, satellite messaging, and feature the new Action button with camera control. The iPhone 17 Pro adds vapor chamber cooling for better thermal management during intense tasks, a feature not to overlook for heavy users. Both offer dual capture recording and spatial 3D video audio, but the Pro's cooling system ensures sustained peak performance. Memory options are identical, with configurations at 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB paired with 12 GB RAM in both models. This parity means storage and multitasking capabilities won't be a deciding factor here, allowing you to focus on other specs when choosing. Finally, the price tag. The iPhone 17 Pro comes in at $1,099, while the iPhone Air is $999. That $100 difference reflects the Pro's enhanced GPU, camera zoom, battery, and build materials. The question remains, are these upgrades worth the extra cost, or is the Air offering better value for most users?